So I just wanted to review this Rockville Krypton F5 5-channel hybrid class AB plus D amplifier. The D is going to be for the subwoofer. I'm currently in my 300ZX. I've been taking out the interior of my 300ZX, and as you can see, it's all everything's taken out. I've been doing a lot of painting, but anyways, we're here for this today. So it's the 5-channel amplifier. This is what's gonna come packaged in. Package is very nice. Now, when you open the box, this is what you're gonna get. There's a sticker here. It says Rockville. You can see Rockville right there. Put that to the side. Over here. You get this. And you get this paper right here. I guess it's just how it has to be wired, or your amp will fail. And you get your amplifier. So I want to take it, mess it up, and horn it. Wait. We're not going to use this anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I kind of had to tear it because I only have one hand, but it's just styrofoam, so I ain't really tripping too much on it. But it's tough though, like it's packaged very well. So, oh, that was to get the amplifier out, and then this is your volume control knob as well. Comes in that. Make sure nothing else is over there. Oh. The 40 amp fuses, 40 amp, I think the mountain tabs, and then I think that's it. Now we can get the amplifier out. Make sure that's it though. Yeah, that's it. Now we can get the amplifier out. It's a big boy. That sounded gay. I'm not with none of that gay stuff. Sorry. I'm sorry to the LGBTQ and all you guys. I just don't rock that way, bud. Yeah. So, yeah, this thing is fucking massive. So, this is the amp. I'm gonna unpackage this, man. It's packaged very well. And you see my speed wire and stuff right there. I'm gonna do like a full, you know what I'm saying? That's why I got the 5-channel. I was gonna, well, I am still gonna, redo the whole, got my own wires and stuff like that. Okay. And this is what it looks like. Oh, it already comes with the 40 and already installed. I guess they gave me extra. Oh, that's cool. And that. That's what the sides are. Now this little piece right here, that's LED. So, well, it's LED, but it's gonna show me my volt gauge and stuff. So, this is RockvilleAudio.com, and it's the Krypton F5 5-channel hybrid class AB amplifier. So, thank you guys for packaging my stuff well. That means a lot. You know, I'm an up-and-coming, I guess, I don't want to say YouTuber, on myself. So, you see what the current state of the car is. I still got to take that out because it's rusty right there, and I still got to restore. That's my subwoofer. I still got to take off the doors, but it's not about that right now. It's about Rockville Audio. So, this is Rockville Audio's Krypton F5 5-channel amplifier. AB plus D, and the D being the subwoofer. So yeah, thank you guys for packaging my stuff well. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to show you guys this as well. So basically, that's, if you never wired an amp before, well, then this is what obviously get you, you know what I'm saying, positive, negative, and get the remote RMS, and then I actually don't even know what that is. Oh, speaker negative, speaker positive. Okay, so yeah, but in my case, I'm running speed wire, so I'm gonna run speed wire from channel 1 to channel 4 right here, and then channel 5 is just gonna be my sub, which is that guy right there. I'm running the 8, so I just had to put this up there. So yeah, that's where you have the 9 wire right there. So run a 9 wire through the Metra harness instead of, yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this and just cover it all the way. But thanks, Rockville, for giving me a good amplifier. Yeah.